Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie. I'm a full-time trader and mentor in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at Mana, ZIL, and ADA. Not financial advice, it's just my bias. All right, so we are on the weekly time frame of Bitcoin. If the weekly candle closes the way it is now, it will be a bearish engulfing. Let's look at some bearish engulfings from the past. This one was one. This one was one. And let's see, this one was one. What it means is that the probability shifts when you get a bearish engulfing that you're going to get some follow through, meaning that probability-wise, Bitcoin is going to come down further. Doesn't mean that we're going to go into the crypto abyss. It just means that this is more than likely the first leg of a bigger correction to come. Let's take a look also at the RSI. The RSI is currently sitting at 60, coming from an oversold level. Every time Bitcoin has broken the 60 level, we have also gotten more follow through to the downside. Now, I'm not trying to sound bearish. I'm just making you aware that probabilities right now is that we're going to see a bigger correction. Okay, so let's talk about the bullish option first. In my prior videos, we were looking at this wave to be a wave 1 and a pullback for a wave 2. Currently, that has invalidated itself by breaking 27,453 or tapping it. So we move down to the next level, which is 19,584. So the bullish option would be still that this is a 1-2, 1-2. And that the second 2 is going to come deeper, potentially filling this gap. But it cannot break 19,584. If it does, then we will flip to this whole entire structure is a 1, and that it's coming down for a deeper wave 2. We don't want to break this support that we have laid out here. Coming underneath that would turn the market sentiment bearish. So we need to see a V-shaped recovery if Bitcoin goes through there. Okay, so let's talk about the bearish option. The bearish option is that Bitcoin made a flat correction or that it put in a zigzag here, and that this is ending off on a C wave. If we were to see Bitcoin's price come through this support, back test it, and then have a big separation move, that would confirm that a C wave was put in and that we're going to see much lower prices. That this structure back here is going to get a partner leg. But if Bitcoin can give us a very controlled correction here, then it can put in a connector for a B or an X, and then either give this leg or the flat leg a partner to the upside in a much bigger bear market rally. Okay, so we're down on the lower time frame. What does Bitcoin need to do to prove to us that it's not going to go bearish? The first thing that it can do is climb to the upside, come up into the golden zone, and invalidate this wave, turning into a 5-wave move. If it can do this, then we will start off with a 3-wave move. Basically, it needs to climb now instead of rolling over. If it were to roll over, that would be a 5-wave move, and what starts with 5 ends with 5. It can still save itself no problem by putting in a controlled 5-wave move here. Again, what we don't want to see is a back test and then a melt off. This would not be good. If this is a wave 1 and we're coming down for a wave 2 usually takes about the same amount of time that it took the wave 1 to form. With that being said, we're looking at May 18th. But it can totally take less time to the 1.618 sitting at May 5th. As you can see, we're coming into minimum time now. But I see this leg as the first leg. But it definitely needs to come to the upside before rolling over, or it's going to make a 5-wave move. Okay, so let's take a look at mana here. This is the leg that we want to see a partner for. Probability-wise is 90% that this leg is going to get a partner. What we don't know is it an A wave or is it a wave 1? Let's take a look at this structure in the middle. Invalidation for this leg being the start of something is at 48 cents, right at the low here. What mana needs to do if it's going to be the start of something is put in this connector and not break this low, and then push to the upside. There is an alternative count where this wave is an X wave, and it's currently giving this leg its partner. That would still be bullish, coming into the 618 here, the golden zone, and then giving this leg a partner. All of these alts that currently look this way have these two options. Let's take a look at ZIL. ZIL is just a little different in that this current leg to the upside looks like a leading diagonal. We're looking for a pullback into the golden zone. Leading diagonals like to pull back into their wave 2s, and the golden zone is sitting right in its wave 2. Breaking 0.021, this low, will invalidate this being a leading diagonal. What it will mean is that this leg is giving itself a partner, and this was a B wave. Which one it is at the moment, we don't know. But the first place to look for reversal is in this golden zone. And the chance of this leg getting a partner leg are extremely high. Let's take a look at ADA. ADA looks a lot like ZIL. But I cannot make a leading diagonal out of this move to the upside, which means probability-wise, it is a B wave because it broke the high. And this leg is giving itself a partner leg. We will look at the 618 first and then the 1-to-1. The golden zone is sitting down here, and it can totally come down and tag it. It's all going to depend on what Bitcoin decides to do. But the good news is this leg here is the leg that we, probability-wise, are going to get a partner for. What we don't know is it an A wave or a wave 1? But even if it's an A, we still are looking for that big ripping C wave to the upside. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was clear, and I will see you in the next one.